Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.